Hello girls and boys, how's it going? So I thought I'll make this candid video with you. One of the most frequently asked questions on this channel through comments and everything is this. Sir, when are you releasing your YouTube course, your DevOps course, your cloud course? Now, I understand why you ask me that question. Because you think with my experience, with my knowledge, if I create a course on how to do Kubernetes, Terraform, Ansible, blah, 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 it'll give you value. I get that, my friend. But here's my perspective. I've been doing over 100 top mate sessions right now. I've been doing YouTube live for I think almost a year and a half, every alternate Saturday, pretty much, right? And in all of this time, there have been hardly 0.0001% people who have come up to me and said, I cannot debug Kubernetes, can you help me? I have this problem in platform engineering, how do I solve it? 99.99% of you who come and ask and talk to me are stuck in your career. You are either not getting a job, or you want to get into a different job, or you want to pivot your career and you're seeking advice, or you are under stress, there are some traumas, there is some pressure going on at work, and you want help with that. And what I have come to realize is that is the place that I can help you where nobody else can. Because that is where my real experience will cut across and I can say things to you like a bada bhai which nobody else can. Kubernetes बताने वाले तो बहुत लोग हैं यार. There is Abhishek Viramalla of the world. He's a fantastic YouTuber, got phenomenal knowledge. Then there is अपना Shubham है, Canada से कुछ लोग हैं, Piyush is there, even OG people like Hitesh Chaudhary are there. So there are a lot of great YouTubers out there who will give you technical gyan. Let me explain this to you with an example, and here's how I've been thinking about this. So you go to a train station and you're trying to figure out which is the fastest train to go to your destination, right? And there are 3-4 trains standing there, and you check with each of these trains where they are going, is it going to your destination or not, and you go and sit in the best train that is there for you. That's one way of looking at it. But just before you're about to go and sit in that train, you see a railway inquiry booth there. You walk up there and you say, hey, I want to go to Delhi. What is the fastest way to go to Delhi? And I tell you, dude, is Delhi even the right destination for you? What are you trying to achieve by going to Delhi? We have a conversation and you realize that Delhi is not the place you want to go. Actually, Hyderabad is where you want to go. And the train is not even the best option for you. Maybe a flight is the best option for you. Or you want to go to Delhi, but you don't want to sit in the super fast train because there is a place right before Delhi where you should get down and do something, and a super fast train doesn't stop there. I am that guy sitting in that inquiry counter who's able to guide you कि भैया कौन सी सही ट्रेन है आपके लिए, ट्रेन है भी कि नहीं, or you should take a flight or you should take a cab, and what is the right destination for you. That is my goal, that is my value add to you. And from what I have seen, I seem to be pretty good at this, right? And that's the reason why I'm not creating a technical DevOps course, because there are others who can do it much better than that. I think I have something more to offer which nobody else can. Now, as I've been on this journey, more if you have reached out to me and you have supported me in this. You have told me that this is the right way to think about it. This is the direction that you're not able to find anybody, and the kind of help that I've been offered has been helpful to you. And in doing that, we have achieved about 100,000. And now we're celebrating. And I've booked Grand Hyatt, about 100 people, no sponsors, no jazz, just real heart-to-heart talk, you, me, that's it. And at this event, I want to tell you something about the bigger vision that I have. I want to share that with you. I want to talk to you about why am I building this YouTube channel even? What is the grand scheme of things here? What plans do I have for you as we grow bigger and as the channel grows more? What else do I want to do beyond just creating, one Java course, one SRE course? What do I want to do? I will talk about all of that, and you will get time to spend with me one-on-one. We'll have some great snacks, in-person gupshup. So if you've ever watched a video of mine and felt, यार इस बंदे से एक दिन मिलना चाहिए, 9th May is the date, girls and boys. For some of you who are not in Pune, if you are in Pune, फिर तो क्या ही excuse है यार, book करो and आ जाओ, right? If you're not in Pune, if you have to take a bus, a train, even a flight, I can promise you that the trip will give you something which you will never ever get, because the clarity of thought that you will come out of that 3-hour event will be much, much more than the money that you spend. That is a guarantee that I and Manpreet are willing to give to you. So if you've ever derived even an iota of value from the videos, 9th May is the date. Come over, we'll have fun, and I will make you do things which are way outside of your comfort zone, and I will send you back a changed man or woman. That is my promise to you. I need you to book the tickets as soon as possible, because the first 50 tickets have a 500 rupee off, and they are being booked very, very fast. Very few left. Hurry up, get your tickets. I'll see you on the 9th of May. Cheers, guys.